Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar, I still think on the monthly that this is going to keep on trending up on the very high time frames. I still think the monthly is eventually going to go up and take out these highs and eventually going to end up looking something like this. Now this is the monthly, so it's going to take a very long time for that to play out. Going down to the weekly, this still looks like impulsive up wave 1. I still think we have a running flat wave 2. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. If that's true, that means this is a 1. That means that this is a 2. And whether or not the wave 2 is over, I guess we're going to have to wait and find out. And eventually, I think it is going to go up and make a big wave 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think that this first move up, the five-wave patterns, five-wave trend to the upside is most likely a 1. I think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal wave A. I think this is a 1, 2, 3 pattern to the upside, which I think is a wave B. And I think we are more likely going down right now for a wave C, which I still think this wave C is more likely to go down, take out the low of wave 5, take out the low of wave 4, probably all the way down to the 50%. I think it's going to be an ABC of 2, and I still think eventually it's going to end up continuing back up. Kind of looks like to me it's going to almost be like an expanding triangle because we got slanted up, probably going to be slanted down, expanding triangle for the wave 2. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we are trying to make a little bit of a push up, but I think I would definitely primarily be looking for shorts in a downtrend. Most likely this move up is going to be a crescent. Hopefully what it is a 1 and a 2, and then we get a nice wave 2 entry, which would be the beginning of a wave 3. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of the trend, so that should make for a really nice entry to go short if we do get a chance to get that. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. We do have a little bit of a higher low, so I think this move down is over. Hopefully this is a wave 1. Hopefully this move up is an A. This is like a wave B. And I would think there's a pretty good likelihood we are going to go up and make a wave C. Probably at least up to the 50, maybe even the 38%, maybe even the 50% to make an ABC, probably an ABC of 2. If I see a nice big engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, especially if we get a nice break of structure, that would be exactly what I would be looking for to go short for the continuation of this downtrend, which I think this is more likely a subdivision like a 1, 2, 3 of wave C based on the higher time frames, which this wave C should be a wave 2 all the way up to like the weekly time frame. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.